So we're back at it again, working on this 9.1 Mazda Miata. So today, I'm going to be shaving a little bit more of the engine bay, trying to get everything smooth, especially all these welds that I have. So let me show you what I'm doing. So I have a bunch of these welds right here that I'm going to go shave away. I had to fill in pretty big holes, and they look nasty, and they are. Got a couple tools, going to grind all these, junky welds away. Try to make them smooth like that, so it can be a shaved engine bay right there. Gonna grind some of those away right there, and some of the ones up top and over here. So I'm gonna put you guys on time lapse, and let's get this done. After that, I didn't do much. Let me show you what progress I did do off camera. So it's another day. Let me show you what I did. So off camera, I decided to weld up right here and flatten it back out. Gonna put Bondo and whatnot to cover up all the bumps and whatnot. So did that. Remove the plastic tire covers from the wheel well, or plastic wheel well covers on both sides. But today we're going to remove the top because I'm going to restitch this vinyl that's all messed up, or the cover, and we're going to remove this and remove the seats because I'm going to be redoing those also, and it will make it easier to work on the car, especially in the interior for doing the wire tuck that's going to be happening. So let's get to it. I'm going to throw you guys on time lapse and hope you guys enjoy. So as you just saw, I got the top able to be removed. The reason why I'm removing the top, it's going to be able, one, to spray the car, and two, I'm going to plan on respraying my roll bar. So, and that's going to be gray with red flake in there. So, I want to make it look nice all the way around. So let me get that removed, and then we'll see what we're doing next.
Here we go.
So I just got everything out of the trunk. We're gonna empty this out and scrape all this junk out right here. This is the sound deadening because, well, it's just full of oil and whatnot. So I'm gonna scrape that out, and we're gonna end up taking off these light brackets right here for the license plate. Just prepping it more for paint and whatnot, and we're probably going to spray in here to make it look better. Scraped all that stuff out. I'm just going to dump it in a bucket and probably wipe it up, and then I'm probably going to sand around in this area and try to get it prepped for a primer or whatnot, because I'm probably going to spray back there, and also I'm going to probably remove my subwoofer but leave the wiring there. It's about a week later. I haven't filmed anything, but let me show you what I did get done. So I ended up getting all this buffed, or not buffed, scratched up, and all inside of here also is all done and prepped for paint. Ended up removing my amp for my subwoofer. That's removed. Everything's scuffed up paint wise back here. Also got all this stuff scratched off or scratched up, ready for paint. Door jambs also right here. Got this, the pillar for the glass, all scuffed up. Also on the inside, that's been all scuffed up because I plan on just painting everything and priming it and just putting a tarp down right there. That's gonna be the end of this video. I'll catch up with you guys later, and stay tuned for the next video, and have a good night.
It's just fine.